Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you all how to generate your emojis. Like we have the Unicode here and that's the emoji. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up another page and we'll put one of these together. So let's go. Alright, in here I have my Unicode as well. So all you just need to do is to press Alt X. You see that? Just press Alt and X and your emojis will be generated. So what I'm going to do is, you see this very table that you guys are looking at, I'm going to put that on my description area and you guys can just copy it for free and do whatever you like with it. Okay, so with that guys, I'm calling the end of this brilliant tutorial, and please do subscribe to my channel and you can also join to become a member of the channel. Well, have a nice day now and bye for now.